Well, hello and welcome to Pompo Rides. It's Easter Sunday and I decided let's get out on the bike. So I'm testing out the My Route app, which is a paid subscription app. I think it's a few pounds a month or you can pay a one-off fee. And I did have the Garmin Zumo, and the one good thing about the Zumo is you could tell the Zumo, right, I want to go east, north, south, west, about 2 hours ride or whatever, and it'd find you a windy path and maybe some roads that you've not seen before. And that's one thing I was going to be missing. Calimoto does that. However, if you're an Android user like moi, then you don't get that option. Android Auto, Calimoto, no go-go. If you've got Apple CarPlay, you can use Calimoto. So I decided I would go for the My Route app and give it a go. Now, I've only just set off. I went to fuel up between the petrol station and just coming back past my house where I live. Tool in a Golf pulled out on me. And when I first booted this up, so I'd been on my phone first, and I went, right, I'm going to go around this way. I put in about 150 mile, I think I'd said, round trip. So that's what we're testing out and see how it does today. And I've left the audio on to see what it's like.
After 900 yards, turn left.
And it's got like an echo to it. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's coming out of both there and my headset, and that's why I can hear a bit of an echo. The other thing I'm not right keen on with this My Route app, and it does this on both. I tried it on Android Auto in the car. This is where you're going, see. It's not central of the screen.
After 300 yards, turn left onto Wiltshire Road. Now turn left onto Wiltshire Road. After 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto Wiltshire Road and then turn left. After 350 yards, turn right onto Further Lane. Now turn right onto Further Lane. After 1 mile, turn right onto Nabs Head Lane and then turn slightly left. After 350 yards, turn right onto Nabs Head Lane and then turn slightly left. Now turn right onto Nabs Head Lane and then turn slightly left onto Spring Lane. After 300 yards, turn left onto Coordale Lane. Now turn right onto Broadgate.
Bringing me down roads that I would normally not have travelled. Just going to bring me back round.
After 150 yards, turn left onto Bird Street and then turn left.
Why didn't I just turn left there?
Now turn left onto Bird Street and then turn left onto Taylor Street. After 100 yards, turn left onto Taylor Street and then turn right. Now turn left onto Taylor Street and then turn right onto Broadgate.
And I can't even turn fucking left. Yeah, I don't think it's the brightest button in the box, is it?
Now turn slightly right onto River Parade and then turn right onto Broadgate. Now turn right onto Broadgate.
So, yeah, I just don't...
After 200 yards, continue straight ahead onto Strand Road. Now continue straight ahead onto Strand Road.
I literally could have turned left at them.
After 300 yards, turn left towards Riversway Docklands.
Right, and I would have never have come the way that it's just brought me, ever. That is a really long way round.
After 300 yards, turn left onto Navigation Way.
Because that's what I told it to do, right? And all that.
Now turn left onto Navigation Way. After 400 yards, turn right onto Britannia Drive. After 3/4 of a mile, take the first exit at the roundabout. After 300 yards, take the first exit at the roundabout.
If we go left here, we go all the way to Seaside. But I don't.
Now keep right onto Watery Lane and then turn right at the next traffic light onto Watery Lane. Now turn right onto Watery Lane. After 3/4 of a mile, turn left towards City Centre and then turn left.
So that's the other thing, because I've got, I can play music at any time and press play and go like that, press play. Even just a few seconds of a song. None of you lot, well, no bugger watches this, right? And I haven't got 1,000 subscribers, so I can't make any.
After 300 yards, use the left lane and turn left towards City Centre and then turn left.
Yeah, I won't be retiring on my YouTube.
At the third traffic light, turn left onto Tulketh Brow.
Can you see what I mean? Look at that, what it's doing.
Now turn left onto Tulketh Brow. After 150 yards, take the first exit at the roundabout.
Now, unless it knows something I don't, but then it's bringing me back up onto this road. Look at that.
Take the first exit at the roundabout.
No, I'm not doing. I'm just going to stay on here, can't I?
Now turn left onto Cannon Hill. After half a mile, take the third exit at the roundabout.
Eastern Power Station, Morecambe Bay, the Lake District, peaks of the Lake District, all the way along there. So, MRA, my route.
Take the second exit at the roundabout towards Preston.
Yeah, you know what, I'm not doing that. I'm going to go over Pentonville. So, the MRA app, how do I find it? I'm not over-hammered. I lost phone signal when I were over Truffle Bone, and it seemed a bit weird. And then it seemed to be stuck with in that top corner, turn left, turn left, turn left in 60 yards, and it said that for ages. Got a route, and it's not the greatest of getting you back on that route. I've no way of knowing whether it's just trying to direct me to get me back on the route, or it's changed the route to encompass where I'm going. And also, it just sticks some random shit in. Like, turn left, go around here, turn round, come back. And I don't know if it's just doing that to make the miles up, because you've said, oh, I want a round trip that'll be this sort of mileage. So I'm not, yeah, I've got right away, fucking idiots, absolute bellends. So yeah, I'm not overly impressed with the My Route app, MRA. It's alright. Preferred Calimore. Like I say, I just can't do Calimore. I actually preferred the dedicated Garmin or pick me a route out, and there is a quick option on the Garmin that will show you. So I've got this music in the side. You can have a side thing on. You can have it set for certain things. So like, it'll show you like petrol stations, upcoming food stock, and it's really good for when you're away. Because obviously you're driving about, you haven't got a clue where you are, and you have that on, and you go, oh, actually, look, there's a fuel stop in 20 miles. Click on it, take me there. So even though it's sort of on your route, I don't know if that option's on here, and if it is, doesn't seem as easy to use on the road. Give it a live try. Settings, not for having any of it.
After 700 yards, turn left.
No, not listening to you now. I'm going this way instead, Cock.
After 400 yards, turn slightly right onto the Winds.
So it has adjusted, but I don't know if it's adjusted to just try and get me back onto there, or if it's twigged on going, oh, actually, yeah, look, I think this is just trying to get me back to where I was.
Now turn slightly right onto the Winds.
No, I'm not doing it. I'm sticking on this road here, Cock.
After 150 yards, now turn right onto the Winds.
Nope, not doing it. The other thing, while she's going to go through a shit fit in a minute, we'll see what it does, is the Pompon Rides Auchi patent bracket for 12mm sat-nav boys, which I have created, designed and printed, as you all know. So the custom bracket that I've made, I've been going over some right bumpy ground today, and do you know what? It's been bob on. Absolutely fantastic. It's stuck like a good one. Now she has picked up, I'm going a different one, and it's telling me in 0.9 to turn left.
After half a mile, turn left. After 500 yards, turn left onto Old Roman Road.
Oh, Old Roman Road. I don't think I've ever been down this one before.
Now turn left onto Old Roman Road.
Oh yeah, I have. So this is just taking me back now to get me back onto where.
After 3/4 of a mile, turn left.
Do you know what I mean?
After 400 yards, turn left onto back lane.
I've been on some quite bumpy terrain, and that's held up really well, so I'm impressed with that, even if I didn't make it myself.
Now turn left onto back lane.
So this is taking me back to Sabden, look, right? Just where I didn't take notice of it before. Not really keen on that.
After 1 mile, turn left.
I'm going to go this way. We'll go back. We'll go back this way and ignore her.
After 3/4 of a mile, turn left. After 400 yards, turn left onto Sabden Road. Now turn left onto Sabden Road. After 300 yards, turn left onto Portfield Lane. Now turn left onto Portfield Lane.
So I've sort of got the message now.
At the next stop sign, keep left towards Burnley.
No, we're not going. Although we will be turning left towards Burnley. Yeah, I'm still not sold on the MRA app, and I may have to look for an alternative. Although it is one of the better, supposedly, better ones about.
Now keep left towards Burnley.
No, not going that way, Cut.
After 250 yards, turn left onto Parkhead.
No, not going that way either.
Now turn left onto Parkhead. After 1 mile, turn right.
Braking for. So yes, in conclusion, if I was to rate it for motorcycle via Android Auto, and to be fair, I don't think it's the hugest, because if I just use Google Maps, it's fine, but Google Maps doesn't have that feature that I want.
After 300 yards, use the right lane and turn right onto Harwood New Road.
Yeah, he's just trying to bring me back on myself.
Now turn right onto Harwood New Road.
So we're going to go into there, no, go into there, no, exit, resume navigation, no, I said. Yeah, so that was my little day out. Lovely, fantastic time. It was absolutely great. Super smashing great. Had a lovely day out. Temperature stayed pretty much constant like this. Don't know what mileage I've done. But you know what? I'm going to put my tunes back on. I'm listening to James. See. I've just paused. So I have literally just flicked Waze back on instead. And I do much prefer Waze as a resting gap. So if I'm not actually using it for sat-nav, the MRA app, and now bear in mind Waze is free, the actual, when you go in, yeah, it's alright, and it gives you your speed, top right of the speed limit, and then it gives you your speed, and gives you a warning if you're over, because obviously I always fall. But it seems to be when you're not actually using it for navigation. So if you're not using it for navigation, it don't give you the speed. I know you've got your speed there, but I was hoping, see what I mean? That is flashed up now because I've exceeded the speed limit. It's in black, doesn't do it. If I exceed the speed limit, it just gives you the current speed limit, and that one didn't seem to do that. Daniel Savey. So just, if Waze had that feature, that would be miles better. I just don't think it's got it. So I'm still on the hunt. Anybody's got any suggestions of any other apps that work with Android Auto that I can give them a try in search of the best app that will do a round trip route for you? I'll give it a try and see how it does. I don't mind paying for an app if it'll do what I want it to. And like I say, Cali Motor, from what I recall, was alright. It just won't work with Android Auto because, yeah, developers are lazy. Only develop for Apple CarPlay only. No good that. No good. Right, almost done. What a good do. Especially because we all know how our phones spy on us and everything else. So because I obviously look at motorbike videos and read motorbike articles and everything else, my phone is every morning when I look at my Google feed, I'm getting told of motorcycle is dead, motorcycle is dead, motorcycle is dead. It just seems to have been nothing but motorcyclists who died pinging up on my newsfeed, which then you get grief as well, don't you? If you're out like me.